What's up everyone, it's Yambor's new video, and in this video I would really like to inspire you because I think inspiration, it's a little bit stronger thing than just a tutorial. And now some of you will agree, some of you already disagreed. The thing is that if I don't feel inspired, if I don't get inspired, or if me personally, don't inspire others, I don't feel I'm doing things right, because I think this is my biggest talent. But I needed to work with one of the other big talent I have, and that's fear. Let's do this. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Extremely glad you're here. You can buy me a coffee if you want to support me, or buy my presets and blah 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 blah. You can find it so many things. Subscribe to the channel. I want to grow this channel, right? So this is also why I'm doing all those videos. On the other hand, I really enjoy it and I really feel this is fulfilling me. What also fulfilling me is giving you strength and giving you inspiration, and talk about like, don't be afraid to try stuff. The try stuff is the most important part of any job. It doesn't matter if it's photography in this case, if it's TV, if it's driving, like there are fears, because fear is something what stop us from doing stuff, doing things. And in this video I will show you how I was doing a photo shoot in the studio using flashlights, which in my career I did just for the very first time. And why not to do it 2 times in a row immediately? I use those crazy weird lights, I don't even know the brand. I got it borrowed from my friend who was using them for professional work, and I was like, okay, let's see if this work, if they connect with my camera, with this flashlight, I don't even know how it's called, you know, you put it on the hot shoe, you press this and it works, it connects to them, and somehow, I don't know the magic. The thing is that I don't think it's extremely important to know how it is, how it works, and what's so blah 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 blah. Of course, if you want to advance, if you want to teach it and so on, it's very good to know, because you can tell, okay, if you use this number, the other number on the camera. On the other hand, there is always a test. So if you test, and if you test even on your subject, you will find out what you like, kind of, and then you can further experiment through practice. So it really depends on what way you choose. But important is, first of all, to choose a way, and second of all, to really put it in practice, because otherwise it's just a theory and that's just simply boring. But there is a fear behind who tells you, just don't do it, you will ruin it, it won't be good. Postpone it, don't do this. It's like making a YouTube channel. I have so many people telling me, I would so wish to have a YouTube channel, you know, blah blah blah, and then I see my numbers like, they're not so big, why are you doing this? Like, and why not? Like, if I won't do things, if I won't stop, if I will stop doing them, or if I just told by fear it's not that working, why can I improve? How can I improve? Like, what is the purpose if there is no persistence, if you lose it? If there is only a goal, let's make money out of it directly, then what is the purpose? And I must tell you that just talking to you like this, I feel already much better than a year ago, 2 years ago, blah blah blah, how many years ago. And this is the same with photography. At the beginning, you probably suck. If you're not super talented and you don't know what to do, you will suck with shutter speed, ISO, focal length, so many things. But if you don't go through it, you will not learn your camera, you will not learn what you like, you will not do it. You will never develop, you will never improve, and you will probably never become a photographer. So what's the point? And this is the same why I tried to do this studio. First of all, we share it with the friends. Second of all, I said, like, what I'm completely waiting for. Of course, I'm going outside mostly. This is my job. But to have a studio, to know how it a little bit works, or if you can work with just a minimum things, this is just a proof that you can do stuff. And I see so many photographers who are just having studios, doing things the same again, and same. And maybe also this is my case too. I'm also having kind of my thing. But I wanted to say that also a studio work, I didn't want to be a little bit kind of like a boring thing. And you can see the pictures around in here. I think they look kind of fantastic. And I used those 2 flashlights to create this mood, this atmosphere, some backdrops. And then the most of the work actually was me. And I was like, oh, why, how you? Yeah, well, I kind of knew in my head what I would like to do. So first, having a key light, which will put a light from various angles on my subject to make it a little bit look artistic, not so lit up, universal lit. And the second was the contra light, or even a bouncing light, just to create a spatial feeling of the subject, just to be that the subject is somehow put into some space, you know. That one creates a light on the face or on the side, because I rather use the side and just completely front, and the other one just basically creates, like, helps to create a silhouette, a feeling of a space, that the space is a little bit filled of light, just a bit. It's basically the same thing what I'm doing here with this light and that light behind. That it kind of also creates space, especially at night. It's more visible. And to be honest, it doesn't matter what technology you have. If you think I have some big key light now on me, no. I have this Amaran 5-year-old technology. See? No excuses. And if I don't have it, I will go closer to the window. This is what I actually would do. This says that the most stop of your work, it's not technological, it's you. And this thing was counting with this photo shooting. And the difference was that even though I was doing it for the first time, I never even doubt a second that I don't know what to do. Even though I didn't, kind of. I didn't know how to set up the lights properly, even though I tested it a little bit. I didn't know how to set up the camera for this super properly, but I tested it, and I tested it on those two subjects, those two amazing women who helped me to create this. But I didn't tell them I do it for the first time. I needed to try it. I don't know how to do it. No, they came in here, they were invited into my studio to create some amazing work. This is the first thing. Second of all, I took care of them. I told them what to do, like I would do it outside. I said, sit here, sit there, I need to set up something here, or it doesn't work that well how I thought. Let's put it over here. Let's put this light a little bit behind. Focus here, focus there. Don't turn around, sit, one shoulder, second shoulder, smile, don't smile. I will adjust it here and there, move forward, more backwards, on the side, I was organizing the set, and they didn't feel that nothing works, even though I ruined many shots because I had them super bright, or I did something which I didn't like. Who cares? Who cares? You care. But you don't need to show everything what you do, and you don't need to share with the clients all the feelings you have towards. And then if you just kill this thought in yourself and you say like you're inviting somebody to your playground, you can play. It's a play. It's a game. It's a nice game to do, and I want to inspire you with this. Don't be worried of ruining stuff. You will not ruin it. You just don't need to be afraid of adjusting it. And you can adjust it with this technology immediately. You shoot a picture, you look at it in the preview, not it. You will play with things, you will put the lights more further, more close. You can do this. No one in front of you. The subjects are not testing you. They know even less than you know. They just want nice pictures. More than this, they want to feel great with you. Because so many girls, I'm photo shooting, and they're like, I'm not photogenic. And then they tell you the story that the previous photographers told them this, or they didn't like it. Why? Because those people didn't communicate it with them, they didn't feel safe with them, and then all the result is just written in those images. But if you do the opposite, you communicate with your clients, you are fair to them. It's like, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I need to adjust it, I don't like this that much, let's move it forward, let's do it this way, blah blah blah. You will always find a way how to overcome any issue, because after all, what kind of issue it is, where to put light, come on, you have millions of solutions and all of them might be good. It might be good that you put all of those behind them. This is a style. I want to test it because I have the vision. This is that you put them on just one side, or you use only one, or use it from below. Just this. Look, I can make it as a horror movie and tell you how you should not do work with light if you don't know what you're doing. Or you should do it like this. You can, but it depends on the tone of your voice after all, right? It all depends on you. Experiment, because most of your client doesn't know anything. What they will always know is how you behave to them, not how you set up the lights. And they will like those images regardless if those lights are perfect or not. Don't listen to other photographers, because most of them don't like your pictures or something, or they do. But they don't pay you for the work. They are not your clients mostly. And even though I also would like that you like my work and what I do, you might have a completely different opinion. But the difference is, I won't get discouraged when somebody wrote me, you put too much key light over there. I don't care. And you shouldn't care either. You should try, go, and go. And this is what I wanted to tell you. I want you to feel good, because if you feel good, your clients will feel amazing. And you will get them eventually. So that's it. Buy me a coffee if you want to support me. That would also help me. And subscribe to the channel, like the video, and write me in the comments below what do you think. See you next time. Thank you for watching.